Hello! In this video, we'll be going over the About page of the CampusLabs event website. So you click these three lines here to pull up the tabs, and we see our About tab. So we click that, and it brings us to our About page. So this tells viewers about the organization that you're representing. This includes the organization's details. So what options you have are a description, which is mandatory for a club presentation. You have a summary that displays the organization's direction. So this is something that can display at the very onset and small presentations of the club, and you have the option to write a full description that people can see once they get to your main club page. Here is also where you can adjust your profile image. You can see that I have our profile picture here. You can delete the image, you can upload a new image. This is just the image that we have selected for this club. Additionally, this is a hub that tells your viewer everything about how to contact the club and what your club is about. So here is the contact information. This will be displayed publicly, and this is you may need to be careful because this is a organization, so you may want to have a shared organization address, phone number, an organization email address rather than personal information. So this is things like the address, which is street address, city, state, zip code, country. Then we have phone and fax numbers. Then our email here, this is our official university email for our club. If you have external websites to link to, websites that pertain to your organization, you can link them here in the external websites. The social media of your organization can be listed here as well, for Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, etc. And then additional information is here at the end. Whether you can list the recurring meeting time, the location of your meetings, or just any general information that you want to share with viewers of your club page.